What's up, guys? Can you listen to music still? So we'll do a remix stream today. Okay, so let me see the chat for a second. Shout out for what? Do you guys think shout outs work? Like, if I say someone's name and you will subscribe to them or something? चाचा विधायक है हमारे विनायक होता है I think. What is the stream out and where will you get the projects that you are going to be remixing? I am remixing my project. Someone like told me to remix my project, I guess. So I thought, why not? That was a great idea. So we'll remix. What do we call it? Zombie Smash 2019. My the first ever big game. You can also check it out. It is on my profile. No, it's not. Let me see. I cannot find it, so it's not there. Very cool. I haven't shared my project. It is not that good. Yeah. Let me just load it and then you guys will be able to see it. Scratch projects. We have Zombie Smash 2019. And okay. Okay, here we have it. Let me switch the screen so you guys can see. इंग्लिश में पढ़ रहा हूँ. Okay. I am uploading my new video, lol. Upload, let's see. Okay, so let me put up the screen here. Oh, sorry, that's not this. It's the chat. Here we go. This is my screen. Let me set up the camera for a second, like this. Okay, here we go. This is fine, I guess. Now let's remix this. The Lebanon top. आकाश रहने दे अभी पढ़ लिया मैंने वो. Okay, let's see this. You guys can see first of all my layout. This is epic because of Scratch add-ons. If you don't know what it is, I have like 15 videos on it. Go and check it out. You can see cool shadows on this text. This is a really cool feature. You can see here. There is shadow here. And also I've just changed the entire look. Customized, like it's looking so cool. And yeah, let me see the chat for a while and then we'll start. Please remix my project username Sayitha Jain. If you do this, you will be like blocked from chatting. Don't just promote your profiles or projects here. If you want someone else's profile, you can surely do that. And let me just remix this. So let's get started. So first of all, let me show you this. This is a very old project, really very old, like 2018 started and then ended in 2019. So it is really messed up. And yeah, good. This weird intro, I don't know. Very loud. Let me turn off the music or something, or you guys won't be able to hear me. You can see this glitched quit button and save game to load and then save game. I'll just type none. Then mine. We have 4 buttons, very laggy but very cool. We have this made by Fanjoa. I called myself Fanjoa. Follow on Twitter. And we have Zombie Smash. We have settings. Let's play. It's really weird. Thank God I've turned off the music. How can I shoot? Okay, 0. I think 0. I forgot how to control this game. The restart does not work, I guess. Let me see how we can shoot. This is the player. forever. Um, Wait, how? Okay, this is the enemy. Sorry. Um, right arrow, left arrow, arrow keys. We have key any pressed. Okay, this is weird. I have to remove this after the while remixing. How can I shoot? What is this? Okay. Um, this is really weird. I cannot shoot. Bullet. Let's see if it's here. Costume of player. No, it is not. How will I shoot? Okay. Controls. Let's see here. Okay. Zero to shoot. Yes. Or Z to shoot. I cannot shoot. It is not working. Why? What is this game? Why can't I shoot? Oh. Okay. Okay. Now I get it. I have to just mute this side because it is really loud. Now we can shoot. This is really difficult, but yeah, we'll see. I used to use arrow keys at that time. None. We have my profile. We have this really cool vignette effect. You guys can see this. I made this like really tried very hard on this on in 2018, and you can see the level of polishness I wanted, and this is what I got. I also have a radar. What do we call it? Radar. You can see we have freeze modes, we have coins, we have repairs, we have different guns. Like we have five or something. What do we call this? It's really getting hard. Eh, this is really hard. This is really hard. You have this time freeze mode. All the enemies will freeze, like kind of, but I still lost. We have this really difficult thing. We even have the pausing system. That was really epic at that time because it almost broke my game when I made this first time. Let me see the chat. Okay. Okay, let me see the chat for a second. Chat is blocked by screen. My made tutorial on scratch add-ons. Okay, epic. I have seen your tutorial, I think. Astro Music Code. I have seen your video, I guess. Your sprites are messy. Yeah, there are 63 sprites, I guess. 63. Okay, remix my friend project name Steve Agent. It's probably you. Please check my project too. Wow, fair gameplay. Hi, am I late? Check in bullets. Check the pin custom blocks in the player. There are a lot. Okay, there are only two. But in different sprites, the number varies. Like, I don't know. Player has two. This has three. Let me see in the HUD. No, it's not there. We don't have a shop, so nothing big. Let me see chat. Remix my friend project name is Steve Agent. Now we are doing this. I will someday check out this project, this profile in our what do we call it? Community video. There is a new series coming out. Swiss Dino, thank you. Okay. Chat is blocked by screen. Yes, I have made it shorter. Okay, let's play this. Wait a second, I'm disappearing for a second. Okay, not me, just me. Okay, now let's see. So, what should we remix? We have to just erase the code. This is a really easy code. It took me a lot of time, but still, it's really easy. Like, let me show you sprites. Like, enemy, okay. Player, okay. Bullet, okay. Health bar, we have a sprite for that. We have a health pickup sprite. We have different pickups, different sprites. We have pause button different, like separate, and pause menu different, like separate. That is pretty weird. We have mouse click. I don't know why I did this. We have five buttons and five different sprites. We actually have settings. Like this is really crazy. Um, for each sprite, we have such large code. Like, can you believe this? Was really difficult for me. And we have different things. We have a lot of things. So we have to just shrink it. Like I have remixed this game before, but we'll still do that in the 2021 style because I remixed it in 2019. So I think we should just delete all the code, delete all the blocks. Okay, bullet, delete 61 blocks. Player, delete 7 blocks. This has like 3000 blocks or something. You have to just delete everything. Even for the basic stuff, I have used a lot of blocks because I didn't know how to do that. Play a single, we have different start menu buttons. That is pretty weird. Okay, controls. We have to just clear it up. I wish I had two monitors so I could see like the chat. Wait, let me see on it on my phone so I can just see what you guys are saying. Let me see here. Here we go. Mock ancient. Mute this. Why? What? What happened? Did the stream disconnect? What are you? Remix my scratch game, please. No, we are remixing this. I will someday make a series in which I will feature you guys and like your projects and stuff. Today we are remixing this. Wait a second. Delete all the blocks. Laser beam. We have delete, delete, delete. This is not a like one live stream thing. This is a really big game. So it will take time. We will not do this entirely in one stream, but yeah. So laggy. Is the stream lagging? Like you can put your projects in our Discord servers Scratch project section, so we can check that out. If you really want me to check it out or others to check it out, you can join our Discord server. The link is in the description. If you are above 13, under 13 people are not allowed. We have health pickups. We have encouraging messages. Do you guys know what this is like? OMG, gotcha, combo, unexpected. I thought like it was in some type of what do we call it? Fruit Ninja game. And I thought it would be cool to add that. We had 3000 blocks and still we have like 1600 blocks left. That is pretty crazy. This has tons and tons of like useless code and these weird designs. This was like a texture I got from a different software and I just put this font and zombie smash in it and made it a background. That was really not good. We have some end screens. We have three or something for end screen. I don't know. We have save games. We have load button. We have load button. Wait a second. Why are we doing this? Why are we doing this? There are still a lot of left. We can just do a simple thing. Let me show you. I have zombie smash remix. So I can just get assets from there. Or just show you guys that. Let me show you. This was also made in Scratch too. Though. This is a really pretty old thing. Like, yeah. The stream quality is not good. Why are you deleting? I had to delete. How can I remix if I will not delete? Like, it's my game. It's a really old code. Like, 4 years, I guess now. We have this remake. You guys can check this out. This is really good. Let's see if it requires like the remixing. Clear, clear, time pickup clear. Okay, clear. We have cleanup blocks, cleanup blocks, cleanup blocks, and cleanup blocks. Let's see if we can remix this because that project is really like from scratch. That would be really difficult. I am not a good scratcher. You have to practice. Okay, let's see this. Why is it lagging? I don't understand. Why is it lagging? Let me see the FPS if I have put this in this game. No, I haven't. Let's use turbo up. No, leave it, leave it, leave it. Let's see. This is an animation I made for Fanja. That was pretty epic. And we have this loading. And we have a like more stable or better start menu. This is not looking good, but still it was a remake, so I had to make it as it looked in the real game. We also have weird settings. This probably will work, I guess. It is not complete, like I can make much better, but this, like you can see a bit lag. When I click, it takes a second to turn off. Super low mode for low end PCs and laptops. It does not do anything. Then we have this glitch here. Let's restart it for a second. You have this weird loading screen. Single player. We still cannot shoot normally. You have to use 0. Let me turn on the music here. This was my favorite music. I cannot play, maybe a copyrighted or something, but this was really cool. The loading screen is epic. Yeah, it is weird. We also have this HUD. You can see here this HUD. This was like the greatest feature of all time for me when I made it, and it works. It has a few problems, like I have to do this when I touch here. We have to go back to the center because that will like disturb the HUD. If we just go and go, it won't be able to follow the player according to the script. So I thought, why leave it? Then we have this weird thing. We can go behind the text. I cannot do anything about that. And yeah, this is the game. Let me turn on the enemies. I had turned them off. I don't know why. Where is the script? I deleted the script or something. Forever create clones of myself. Wait for 2 seconds. Oh, sorry, 3 seconds. Let's see for 3 seconds. I don't know if this even requires remixing. Let's see. Let's see. Play a single player. Okay, we have this cool gun. We have a lot of guns. All our guns have been imported from the original game. Like, let me show you guys. First one, this was the classic. Then we have this weird thing. I don't know why I put this. Then we have this best gun I had at a time. I have to restart this because the restart mechanism does not work. Like from the button. Let me see the chat for a second. Hey, how do I submit project for project review? You can go to the website, but you cannot submit it now. It will open much later because I have a lot of pending projects for now. So let me show you this. This shoots 5 bullets. Like they are 1 bullet, but wide range or something you can say. Because 5 bullets will be very, very epic. I don't want this game to be that easy. Then we have this. This was my favorite gun ever. It is a bit changed, but it looks still good. We have this time freeze and time frenzy mode at the same time. This looking epic. Like we will get more coins and more enemies at the time. The game just does not allow two modes to be at the same time. That is weird. Like, I think it's simple. You can see this is time freeze or time slow. I don't know. Let's see. We have time slow mo, in which we can move at the same speed, but not the enemies. We have lost. Let's see if the restart algorithm works. Let me see. Oh, it works. It works. I didn't know this. This was again removed from the previous game or previous time I made that zombie smash. Then we have this Christmas gun. I don't know why I made this. We have don't have any more guns. And yeah, this is project my project. We have a very vibrant pause menu with settings. And yeah, let's remix. So first of all, we're gonna change the what do we call it? The loading screen. Not now, it will take a lot of time. We'll change this from Fanjoa to Macquancient. And I will do it maybe off stream. And I'll show you guys in the next remix stream. Like probably the next live stream will be a remix stream. So first of all, let's change the looks a bit. This gun, let's add some border. Griffpatch made a video on making borders, right? Let me see that. Like it will take a moment. YouTube.com. Here we go. And we have Griffpatch. Here we go. This pop feature, like let's watch it together. Let me show you guys. Yeah, leave it. You guys won't like it, I guess.
Now, mod could not possess line combo or one we need to talk this on that's like a with pen from
Let me find the code.
This is ghost to neg them flag use shadow bring direct less quickly look through effect here is the shadow E. Cool it we can level zip here transform could be safe in the what that's
Why you guys putting that open mouth emoji or something? Let me see the chat. Okay, it's not going that fast. It's fine.
people
Okay, we have this cool, what do we call it, effect. Let me show you this. If I can switch the screen. Here we go. I'm watching this.
And the second to be -3. This way the sprite will be moved up first instead of down. If I run the script, and then the result is rather cool. The top of the level is now being sandwiched by another black line. Now all direct just loop around hating ball. And here number left move the clear graphs.
Wait a second.
The basic 4 directions, up, right, down and left, plus the additional diagonals in between too. Now we should move the clear graphics effects to outside the repeat loop. But since we want, and we move forward by the same 3-step. All right, that's up to us. Script. Yes. So did you see the black silhouette moving around before it finished and showed us the original costume in the center?
Okay, I have to do this. This is looking really cool.
Let me play that again for you. Do watch to see it moving around in a circle.
It's actually a process that is really cool.
The finished result is great. A perfect outline indeed. And what a difference it makes to the scene.
Let me see the chat for a second. I have very less people watching you. Like, this is the normal average, like people who watch me, like 20 or 15. That is like the average. Which browser do you use, say the best? Depends. Like, every browser is almost the same, I have seen.
There's no need for this to be slowed down though, so remove the wait and let's see it again. Green flag and click the script. That was faster.
This is really
but
cool.
Still not fast enough. We really don't want to see this flicker black at all. That we must, and yes, tick it as a lining or we then draw.
Okay, let's do this. So I have to this script, copy the script. I cannot watch it because we are in a live stream, but I will soon watch it and understand what it works like. So we'll add this in this block. So what do we call it? Stamp outline. and run without screen refresh. I wish I could put this video on the screen. Okay, so we have set rotation style. Let me put the mic here so you guys can listen. Plus, I can also use this. Set rotation style, don't rotate. Set brightness effect to -100. Okay, but I cannot do that. Okay, for a second I can do that. Don't rotate. Let me show you the screen. Here we go. Okay. What if someone super chats you? That money will be with me, and then I will, like, it will be gone away in my charity money. Like, I have a section of my income that goes into charity. So yeah, like, not all. If I get 10K or something, I it will be more than my part. But yeah, I will probably give it to Team C's. Okay, set rotation style. Then we have this. What do we call it? Set brightness effect to -100. Set brightness effect to -100. Wait a second, guys. Wait a second. And here we go. So yeah, then I have to do this loop thing. Repeat 8. Move 3 steps. Stamp. Move -3 steps. Okay. Repeat 8. Oh, sorry. 8. Move 3 steps. Then move -3 steps and also stamp. Let me put the pen thing here. Stamp and also turn 45 degrees. Okay. Turn 45 degrees. Then we have clear graphic effects and that's it. That is pretty easy. Then I have to just switch back to, what do we call it? Set rotation style to all around. That would be cool. Let's see if it works. I'll mess around the code with the code afterwards. When I receive start forever, or let's put this first and see how it works. Let's see. Okay, it does not work. It does not work at all. Okay, if I put it here, it will not work. So, first of all, I will turn on that high quality pen. Let me see if it is in the Scratch add-ons. High quality pen. We don't have that, I guess. Block transparency, better. Okay, we don't have it. No problem. We'll just put it like, when I receive start, um, start, stamp outline, and forever. Let's see if it works. It might crash our game. We don't know, but let's see. Let me save it. There is no problem next time. Ah, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I want to, like, do the impossible. Why are we doing this when we can just simply add some border? Like, that is difficult, but let's see. We'll just combine this, like, group this, and then we can add some border. Let's see. Um, let's add some border. We cannot add it the traditional way. It will just break our sprite. You can see. We have to do something. Let me see the chat for a second. Put it in forever. It does not work. You put don't rotate, but I have to because It has to rotate according to the script, but it is following the mouse pointer, so it is not rotating. There is a big problem there, so no need. We are also moving. Maybe, no, leave it. We can do it much better, like by putting it inside the costume. But how do we do that? You have to convert it into bitmap or something for that. Let's try this. Convert to vector, and we'll just do the simple trick. Now I will just move it to the back, and now we will add some border to this if we can. Okay, we cannot add border to this. You can see we cannot add border to that. That's really sad. We cannot add border to vectors. Oh, sorry, bitmap things. That is really sad. Like you can see, if I could add this, that would be pretty cool. Let's use Inkscape. That can help, maybe. This live stream is messed up. Yeah, I think we have to end the stream. Like I'll just think and come next time. Like what do we have to remix in the stream? Because we have a lot to do and I have to figure things out. I'll also watch this video by Griff Patch. So yeah, let's end the stream. Here we go. Now you can see the chat. Why is this hiding this? Make previous code again? No, bro. I have to end this. I have to go for dinner. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow, or maybe. I don't know when I will stream. So, yeah. Bye. Let me end. How can I end? Here we go.